It is the year when Joseph Kony started leaving Acholi land, and peace started returning in northern Uganda. You can remember the camp life, the life in camp in Acholi, and now the status of Gulu city, which was Gulu district, and now a city. So the question is the prayers of Lucky Dube may so rest in peace being answered now by God? Nobody expected northern Uganda, specifically Acholi sub-region, to start receiving big names. But now, take a look. West Nile, last time Awilo Lugomba and Harmonize is said to be on the way. Previously, Sabinas in Gulu, and also a good number of other big international stars, especially from West Africa, are flocking. And now, it doesn't get bigger than this Koripalieji. It doesn't get bigger than these guys. Rubeboy, formerly a member of the P Squares, has declared that he will be in Gulu city.
Hey yo, what's up my people? They call me Rubeboy. Guess what? Uganda, Gulu. I'm coming on the 21st of December. Make sure you guys are there, okay? It's taking place at Acholi Inn, okay? Rubeboy, I'm coming live for Gulu people. You know why? I've been there begging to try. Reason with me. If I don't get today. This concert is brought to you by Chi Entertainment, okay? 21st December, Rubeboy, I'm coming live. Gulu, let's go. Rubeboy says so. Boom.
So Chi Entertainment has done it, bringing Rubeboy, Gulu City, 21st of December this year, live in Acholi Inn now. So it's amazing, big. I think it's high time guys like Man CJ, the guys who do Acholi electronics also start exchanging the culture, start sharing the stage with those big stars, so that we also start trying to tap in the opportunity to let their Acholi electronics also start being recognized in the national face. One other thing also, what we used to talk about, which is already being happening, thanks to those of Wakabi who are connecting. We have the indigenous Luo people in South Sudan, Ethiopia and Congo, and as well the Jaluo who are in the Nyanza province in Kenya. We need to tap in that opportunity. The likes of Prince Inda of the Nyanza, the likes of Odong Swag, those are very, very, very good artists. They should also be invited here, and we can start from there, also sending our guys to go and perform there. I think that would be much more easier, and then we start climbing the ladder like that, because as it is already known, you can't get a market in central Uganda. Kokofinga tried, but now look where he is. So this is it, something big.